Hi, good day everyone. Do you know that we can use matrix to solve simultaneous linear equation? Wow, that is a new info to us. So let's get started, to see how matrix can help us. Okay, how to use matrix method to solve simultaneous linear equation. Okay, first we write our linear equation first, let's say ax plus by equal p. Okay, and the second equation is cx plus dy equal q. So how do we change this into matrix? First we have to change it into matrix because we are going to do matrix method. So for this one, how to change it? It is there are two matrix actually, being multiplied. Okay, so the first one is you just take out the coefficient, take out the coefficient a, b, c, d, and then you have to multiply it with your x, y, okay, and equal to this pq is another matrix, pq. This is how you change, this is how you change. This one is here. So you can actually prove it, you can check or prove it that it is actually the same as this one. Okay, let's see, let's prove it. So you know that a will times x is ax, plus b times y is plus by, and then it'll become one matrix here. C plus x is cx, plus d times y is dy equal pq, right? So with this equation here, you know that ax plus by equal p. So this one cx plus dy equal q. It is the same, it is the same as the first the simultaneous equation that I've written first, So very simple. If you have ax plus by equal p, cx plus dy equal q, you change into matrix, it will be like this, a b c d x y p q. Okay, let's see one. Okay, now your simultaneous equation already changed into matrix, matrix form. So we want to solve what is your x, what is your y using matrix. So first step, what do you do? Okay, let's make one formula. How to solve simultaneous equation using matrix. Okay, firstly, this matrix, let us name it as A. And this matrix, let's say it is X equal, okay, this matrix, we call it B. And it will become AX equal B, right? So you want to find your x, because your x is xy, right? You want to find your x. So how do you, what do? You have to eliminate this a, right? How do you eliminate? Okay, we go back to basic. What you learn, let's say, you have ax equal b. So you want to find your x. Of course, here, yeah, you multiply it with 1 over a, and here also 1 over a. Yeah, so this one you can cancel, then you'll get your x equal b over a. Okay, so this one, 1 over a is what? 1 over a is the inverse of a, right? So we go back here. You don't want this a. What do? Yes, you multiply it with the inverse of a. Okay, this ax, you multiply it with a, the inverse of a. Your a will disappear. Okay, and of course here also you multiply with the inverse of a. And for your information, you cannot write b, you multiply with this one. You'll get different answer from here. Different answer, because we start with a inverse here. Here also a inverse, because we are multiplying a matrix. Okay, I hope you get it. Now what happened? Our mission is we want to cancel this one, right? This one will become what? Matrix identity. So matrix identity times with x equal, okay, a negative 1 or a inverse times b. Okay, you know that what? Identity matrix, when we multiply with another matrix, you will get back the same matrix x, yeah, equal a inverse times b. So we got a formula. Yes, you will know your x. Your x is what? Okay, your x is I write it over here. Your x equal a inverse times b. So your x is xy, right? X y equal, so the inverse of a, how to write the inverse of a? Your a is this one, right? Okay, the inverse of a is 1 over AD minus BC times with, okay, you interchange A and D, and you put the negative sign for C, B and C. You change the sign. Okay. And then don't forget your B. You multiply it with your B. Your B is PQ. Yes, this is the formula. This is the formula. Very important formula to find your x, y. This is the inverse of A times B. So this is the formula. Write it down. Yeah, write it down so that you will remember. Okay. Okay, now let's solve simultaneous linear equation below using matrix method. So the first thing you do is you change the linear equation into matrix form. Yeah, into matrix form. This one x, the coefficient is 1. Yeah, 1, negative 2, 3, negative 4. Yeah, and it should be multiplied with x, xy. Yeah, x, y equal to 1, 4. Okay. Do you still remember the formula? Yeah, the formula to find your xy. Your x equal A inverse you times with B. Yeah. So you know that this is your A, this is your x, and this one is your B. Okay. So your xy you write here, you write back here, xy equal the inverse of A. Yeah, inverse of A is 1 over AD. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4 minus, that is the formula, yeah, minus to what? B times C, yeah, that is negative 2. That is negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. Okay, and then you multiply with, you interchange, yeah, you interchange 1 and negative 4. So negative 4 is here, 1 go there. And then the negative signs, you change the negative sign. It's negative, we change into positive. So this one became positive 2 and 3 will become negative 3. Okay, and then you multiply it back with, B. So your B is 1, 4. 1, 4. Okay, so your job now is just solve. Yeah, solve these matrices. Okay, so you'll get negative 4 plus 6 is 2, right? And then this one you just copy back. Okay, so next. Okay, if you multiply this 1 over 2 inside here, so everything will be divided by 2. You'll have fraction, so it will be a bit complicated. So what do? Do you have any other way to multiply it? What if we do this first? Yeah, we do that one first. We just copy back the 1 over 2 and then you just multiply. Yeah, you just multiply. Clear the arrow first. You just multiply negative 4 multiply with 1, it is negative 4 plus 2 multiply with 4, it is 8. Yeah, and then negative 3 multiply with 1, it's negative 3. 1, okay, plus 1 multiply with 4 will come 4. So now you will have 1 over 2. This one will, you get 4. This one you get 1. Then now you can multiply it with 1 over 2. Okay, 1 over 2 times 4. 1 over 2 times 4 is 2. So you'll get here 2. 1 over 2 times 1, you'll get 1 over 2. So what do you get here? Your xy, right? Your xy equal to this one. Yeah, your xy equal to this one. So you can write x, hence x equal, of course, 2. and your y equal 1 over 2 because this is x, 2, y 1 over 2. So this is the answer. Okay? Wow, so we can solve simultaneous equation not using elimination or substitution method, but matrix. Yeah, using matrix, the power of matrix. Yes. So that's it, guys. We have finished with simultaneous equation, solving it using matrix. Yeah. So I hope you can do the exercises in 2.2G in your textbook. So continue on loving and learning maths in a fun way. Yes. Okay, bye-bye.